Welcome back to Michael's Kitchen, and tonight we have Locrio Dominicano in the Instapot. Today's video, Triple M wanted something simple. We went to our local Rose and got our special key ingredient for today, and that is Dominican salami. So I'll show you real quick. This is what you need. Go to the supermarket, get yourself, or Endubeca, salami de pueblo, there's a bunch, but get Dominican salami. And then we'll need, to recap everything we're gonna need right here, some rice, some onions. You guys know we're fans of cubanelle peppers from our other videos. Sweetheart?
Garlic.
Garlic. Jamon flavoring. Culantro y achote seasoning. And one, what is this in English? One chicken bouillon, caldo de pollo. In this 3-pack, we have a regular salami, which is, I think, Triple M's favorite one, yes? And then there's another one that comes in here with that's a jalapeno salami, which I would do, but then Triple M's not eating it. So we're gonna go with the safe one. And we'll cube this up and get it ready to go into the Instapot. You guys saw in the last video, we did a video with our rotisserie chicken that we had that new air fryer. This also came along in that storm after we got struck by lightning that we had to do. So I'll get this cubed up for us for our pot. So the goal here is to slice up. And I'm a big fan of the little pizza triangles. Triple M likes doing little cubes. But as long as they're cubed up, you should be good to go. Small, bite-sized pieces. Not rocket science, right, sweetheart?
No.
We're ready to cook. So I got everything diced up and ready. The trick with this Instapot is to have everything good to go, and it goes really fast after that. So first I'll add about a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil to the bottom, and the star of the show, the salami. I'll get that in there, and I'll saute that. When I get some color on there, we'll start adding our next steps. So you can see it's sizzling away. We're gonna wait till this has color, but you can see it's coming along nicely. It's been going about 4 or 5 minutes, and you can see how much color it's going on. We're almost there. I would say about maybe a minute away, but more importantly, if you can see that fond on the bottom, that's all flavor. When we add our onions and cubanelle peppers, that's gonna scoop up and deglaze the bottom. Got the color we're after. Now we're on to our next steps, which is, for this part, our onions and our cubanelle peppers, and we'll get color on that and soften up the onions and peppers. I wish, only wish you had smell, because it smells good already, right? And we haven't done anything here. We really haven't done anything. Looking good, right?
Good.
So if you can see, come take a look. Look at that, onions already come down, the peppers are already soft. I'm ready for my next steps. So I'm gonna add in the garlic. In about 30 seconds, it's gonna get fragrant. And then I'll add in my culantro. Helps if I tear it the right way. My culantro. And my jamon flavoring. And entire chicken bouillon, and I'll stir that up and let it break up on the bottom there. Give that a stir and incorporate my next steps. I'm gonna add in just a splash of water to pick up all those seasonings on the bottom. And look how that all comes up. Look at the color you got after already. For next step, I'm gonna add in, which I forgot to mention, about 1 heaping tablespoon of tomato paste, and get that stirred up in there. Again, for color and flavor. I'm gonna saute that for a minute, and then I'm gonna add in the rice and stir that in. before we get any further, this is our magic cup. And you guys saw our video. We'll put a link over here of our travel in North Carolina, South Carolina, where we went to the Dominican restaurant and they served it in jarrón. So 1.5 cups of water. I'm sorry, 1.5 cups of rice and 2 cups of water gives me my perfect ratio that I'm after. So 2 cups of water. Stir that up. And we are seconds from being done with this. So I just added my 1.5 cups of rice, my jarrón and a half of rice, which is 2 cups of water. So if I was doing this using regular stuff, I'd do 1.5 cups of rice, 2 cups of water. That's how we measure. That's how it always works out for us. Give it a quick stir. So cover. For this one, we're gonna press the rice button, hit the start, make sure it's on low pressure or low heat, low temperature, not high. High temperature is, I haven't tried it yet. Low temperature, 13 minutes, comes out perfect all the time. Rice, take off the keep warm, and then I'm gonna click the start. This is gonna make its noise, it's gonna do its whole dance, it's gonna get under pressure, it's gonna cook for, what does it say, 12, 13 minutes?
It says 13 minutes.
13 minutes. Then it's gonna release the pressure. When this goes down, it releases the pressure, then we're ready to serve. That's it with this. No having to do with the bailas and rapando and covering. The only downside of this is
No cocón.
no con, which if you remember, we did that video with the stir fry, the Blackstone, and Oliver talked about
The cocón.
con, pegao. This does not make con. So we'll be back in 20 minutes and then we'll hopefully be ready to serve. Time's up. Cooked for 13 minutes. The pressure valve released. Time to stir. And then we'll go ahead and give this a stir. Come see. Then what I like to do is I chopped up some fresh cilantro, put that in there. I like to stir that up. You can smell cilantro. And I'll go ahead and get this on a plate so we can taste. And this time we got a little bit of con, fake con, but it's okay. Look at that. Salami, the rice, all those seasonings. Smells good. So this Dominican dish is typically served with some bichuela guisado. We have a little link for our red beans, or carne guisada, or aguacate, or tostones. We'll show you some of those things, but I'll go ahead and get started. I'll take one of these perfectly ripe avocados, and I like a little kick on mine, so I'll do a little fajita seasoning on there. And we'll go ahead and taste to see what we're working with. Make sure I get some of that salami.
Good.
Super simple. This is our second recipe with this Instapot. I think we did the Jack and the Crack tacos, which was good. If you like this video, like the video. Comment down below if there's anything else you want us to try to make in this Instapot, and subscribe for more. That said, I know Alicia's waiting, Triple M is waiting, the CEO's waiting. That said, a buen tiempo, guys. See you next time. Resultó. No lo estoy diciendo porque tengo hambre, resultó.
Y tú tienes hambre también.
That helps.